Best thing about a HELOC, how about one word? I like flexibility. The flexibility of the home equity line of credit allows you to access the funds whenever you need them. Whether that's today, tomorrow, or a year from now, you'll have access to it.
You can use it for home improvements, you can use it for emergencies.
You can pretty much use the funds however is needed.
It's just nice to have the availability of the funds there for you. The qualification process, you would need to have qualifying credit,
your income to make sure you can afford the payment. There is going to be a home appraisal. We may be able to do a desktop appraisal, or we may have to have an appraiser come out to your home.
And you would also need to have enough equity in your home for the request. Equity is the value of your home after you subtract the balance of your mortgages.
And what is available for lending is what your equity is.
So say your home is $100,000 and you currently have a mortgage balance of $40,000, the equity in your home would be $60,000. You would not be able to borrow up to $60,000 as most lenders do not do 100% financing. If your home equity line of credit is approved, you will see your HELOC in your online banking, and it is as simple as transferring from your line of credit into your checking account.
And there you can use your debit card, you can get the cash out, or write checks. You have access to our line of credit for 7 years. That's the draw period. So that's when you can access the funds. And then as you pay it back, those funds become available again to use. At the end of the 7-year draw period, if there is a balance on the line of credit, it goes into a 15-year repayment phase. It's going to still be a variable interest rate, but the monthly payment will change in order to make sure you do pay it within the 15-year repayment phase.
The payment of the HELOC is 1% of the balance due of the line of credit, or $75, whichever is more.
If you make only minimum payments during the draw period on our line of credit, that is certainly okay. And it's also okay to make just the minimum payment during the repayment phase as well. You can always make extra payments and pay it off early.
You can easily do that by logging into your online banking and applying extra payments.
We also have the option where you can make principal-only payments. We'll never penalize you for extra payments.
HELOC interest rates are typically lower than personal loan and credit card interest rates.
The reason that the HELOC rates are lower is because we are using the home as collateral. It's secured. It's a secured type of loan, so we're able to go lower on the rate.
HELOC interest rates could save you significantly compared to a personal loan and or a credit card interest rate.
With our home equity loan, the interest rate is fixed. With our home equity line of credit, the interest rate is variable.
HELOC interest rates are based by the prime lending index rates set by the government. If you hear on the news that the government is increasing the rates, that has a direct impact on the home equity line of credit rates. If the government is decreasing the rates by 0.25%, then the HELOC prime rate will decrease by 0.25%.
We do have fees for our home equity line of credit product.
Your appraisal fee, your title search fee, closing fees,
the flood cert, just some other back-end fees that we have to do on our end just to make sure you do qualify for the loan.
We do not charge an annual fee to maintain the home equity line of credit.
Is it a good time for a HELOC right now? Yes.
It's always a good time to have a home equity line of credit.
It's great to have it as a backup fund if needed. It's good for if an emergency situation pops up, you have those funds available and you don't have to wait the month that it takes for the processing time. Diamond is a great place to come for the home equity line of credit. During the process, you're going to be working with us directly. We hold the loan, so the loan will fall under your current account that you have with us. So at any time, you can come to the branch and get that excellent member service. You can call in and get the member service as well, and we're always here to help you.